There's been a lot of progress across the building since our last update, especially between the first and second floors. Up on the second floor, some of the biggest structural work has taken place. Crews previously removed sections of concrete and steel to make room for the new stairwell. Contractors have now fabricated and installed new beams and supports, and in the coming weeks, a new section of floor will be poured so framing can continue in that area. Much of the second floor framing is already in place, allowing drywall installation to begin. Outside, work on the building addition is moving forward as well. Preformed concrete slabs are expected to arrive next week, and masonry work will continue in the new range, sallyport, and lockup areas. As always, we'll keep sharing updates as construction continues to move ahead.